Who needs nerds when you can have weirds?
Woo! No!
Those are
eat a frozen meatball.
No, we don't even like meatballs.
You have to watch her eat a frozen meatball. Like you can't bite it. Like,
No, a frozen meatball.
no. Frozen meatball. Raise your hand if you want a frozen meatball.
No, she can't eat it. It's impossible.
No, that's why they got stuck on it until it's all frozen.
This would be better dipped in this. And she's
No, I don't like that, and I don't like that.
exactly.
No.
I have to fuck.
Go.
Abby, you have to.
Go. Eat it.
Don't lick it. Just eat it. Plug your nose.
See, it would be gone already if you
And now that tastes good.
Just make her eat one.
No, one. No, two.
Go!
Eat it.
Big day! We'll tell you in a minute.
Frozen cream corn.
What do you think about this?
It's a little bit gross.
I need napkin.
There you go. No. Wait, is that yours, China?
I need something to wipe my hands. Chico, please.
No, get a spoon.
And then freeze it.
No,
and
she
just
has
make
to-
it like a nacho chip.
No, get it. She has to spoon it out.
No, she has to.
No, she just has to spoon out the grape.
I'm watching these.
The card stuck to the table.